Thousands of light-years from Earth, nestled at the edge of a distant galaxy, astronomers have made a discovery that challenges everything we thought we knew about the universe. They found a planet that simply should not exist, a world that defies the fundamental laws of physics. They named it Aureliax. Imagine a world where, as its oversized sun crests the horizon, the very ground beneath your feet becomes a fluid concept. Gravity on Aureliax isn't constant. It shifts, it breathes, pulsing slowly every few minutes. Imagine watching entire lakes lift from their beds, forming majestic, shimmering rivers that float silently across the sky. Stones drift upwards like lazy bubbles, and forests of alien trees bend and twist into shapes that geometry itself would find impossible. This isn't science fiction. It's a world that forces us to rewrite the rules looming in the sky. Two colossal gas giants hang like cosmic titans, their immense gravitational forces locked in a perpetual tug-of-war. They tear at Aureliax's atmosphere, sculpting its violent, swirling skies and creating a celestial spectacle of raw power. It's a battle for dominance that has been raging for eons, and this small, impossible planet is caught right in the middle. And through these turbulent skies, something extraordinary glides. Enormous, translucent creatures, more like phantoms than animals, move with silent grace, swimming through the air as if it were an ocean. Their biology is a complete mystery. Scientists theorize they might feed directly on the intense radiation pouring from the nearby sun, a form of life perfectly adapted to an environment we would consider lethal. They are the silent sovereigns of this impossible realm. As the day progresses, the planet's pulse changes. By midday, gravity suddenly intensifies, becoming crushing and absolute. The floating rivers collapse back to the surface in torrential downpours. The ground itself groans and fractures under the strain, revealing deep fissures that glow with an otherworldly energy from below. It's believed Aureliax might possess a core made of some exotic material, something unknown to our science, generating powerful energy fields that ripple through its very crust. Even the weather behaves strangely here. Storms don't rage, they drift. They move in eerie slow motion, while waves of pure light ripple across the terrain, as if the planet is shunting energy from one continent to another right across its skin. It's a world alive, not just with biology, but with geology and physics that seem to have a mind of their own. Then comes sunset. The sky, once a canvas of chaos, transforms into a serene masterpiece of deep violets and blues. The stars don't wait for total darkness. They appear early, piercing the twilight with brilliant clarity. And as they do, the planet's surface awakens. The plant life, which seemed dormant during the day, begins to glow with a soft, bioluminescent light. Entire forests and plains illuminate the landscape, creating sprawling cities of living light that pulse in unison. Night on Aureliax is a surreal dreamscape. The floating rock formations from the morning are now suspended against a backdrop of stars. The swirling, silent lightning storms inside the clouds of the giant planets above. Luminous forests cast an ethereal glow on a world that feels more like a piece of art than a celestial body. Aureliax redefines our search for life. It forces us to ask a profound question. What if a habitable planet doesn't need to be Earth-like at all? What if life is far more resilient, more imaginative than we ever dared to believe? Perhaps all it needs is a chance, a foothold in even the most impossible of places. This world, a beautiful, terrifying paradox, proves that the universe is filled with wonders beyond our comprehension. If a planet like Aureliax can exist, just imagine how many other impossible worlds are out there, waiting in the darkness, ready to be discovered. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey to the edge of imagination, be sure to subscribe for more cosmic adventures.